They don't interview Buhari as he come back, as he they land from the aeroplane. Now so the people they wait for her. Una know now as per president, everybody just they as he reach down. Now so they can't interview him based on president of the country, and he's not been around. He went for honeymoon and a medical checkup and rest. All of them, anyone want bring her. Now so they can't ask her, they can't tell her, say, now that you are back, what should Nigerians expect from your administration? You understand? Now so this man open mouth too. He say make una, I bet I not involved. Make una expect continuity. I don't know what the continuity they about. I don't know what we they continue, and I don't even know what we already start. I beg, I don't get hair under my armpits. So I beg, I bring a corner side. Clean your ear if you need clean ammo, but listen very well. Join me, make we watch our beloved president.
After your well-deserved rest in London, what will Nigerians expect from your administration going forward?
Continuity.
While in London, you appointed the new Inspector General of Police. What do you expect from him?
Well, we went through the system. There was a committee, and they gave me some names, and he happens to be the one chosen. And he knows his job. He has been in it for a long time. He went through all the training. He has the necessary experience. So we expect, we have high expectations from him.
The performance of the new service chiefs, Your Excellency.
Oh yes, they have been in the system all the way. They know what is wrong, they know what is right, and I think they are doing their best. I hope their best will be good enough for Nigeria.
Abeg, I no sabi English o. May person just go help me out now. Wetin continuity mean? No, I no sabi English. English is not my language. What does continuity mean? Because something one I never start. Now you they call continue. I never see before. You are coming to start what you have not finished. Buhari. No, this man are recruits. Our president are recruits. I know. Okay, wait oh. Wisdom. I am Madam Wisdom now. Now I understand what this man they try to. As it to say, make we expect. Sorry, make we expect continuity. Now I do understand. Continuity in poverty, continuity in off NEPA, continuity in unemployment, continuity in hunger, continuity in insecurity. Make a continue. So I beg all of you way they expect continuity. Just know what is coming. And it's nothing new because we have been living like that for years, not months, not days, not weeks. We have been living like this with all these things for years. So I not just understand what is the new thing about all these things. As he come outside say he won't talk, I think say he want to say I'm coming to finish. You are coming to continue. Bros, you have started. You have been doing. So now it's time for you to finish. So I know they see what they can't continue. I don't understand. Oh, as you go London, you pause up. The thing where you start, you pause up from London. So as you come back now, you don't press play. You are coming to continue. I beg, we don't want any continuity because we are, in fact, I not just, I beg, why this man even come back? I tell you that before. Anytime he is around is one complication or problem. See, he never even spend 24 hours. So just see the one way just come now. I just say continuity na the last word we hear for UK, and you don't even know the meaning. So as he come back, he continuity the English, the word they do like when as a small pikin you get one new toy, one depart from that toy now. So the word they do continuity. Instead of make you tell us say, okay, well, as you have come, you have thought about it, and since everybody has been complaining and you are seeing it by yourself that you are not doing the good work, you have come to resign. Hey, the kind dance where this man he doesn't know how to make us happy. you see, I go personally come look for you, say, bro. The kind jolly, now that kind news we dey expect, no continuity, bro. We've seen it finish. We don't need anything. I mean, my people will not need any continuation from the one way we don't already get. Now finish line with the way for. So I don't know. And I say I go bring a corner aside because for those of you expecting continuity, you are hungry for continuity. Let me see your handle. And if you are not, you're in my group. Let the comment be rolling as usual. You understand? And make sure say you share this video. Many Nigerians know say continuity don't come on the ground. Subscribe and click on that bell. If not, how you want your continuity? I beg stay tuned for our next story.